Stop. Do not buy a new computer right now. If you are browsing online stores, comparing specifications, watching review videos, or staring at price tags trying to convince yourself that now is the right time, you need to close those tabs immediately. This is one of those rare moments in technology where waiting is not just a good idea, it is the smartest possible move you can make. Apple is quietly preparing what may be the biggest magic trick in the history of consumer computing, and if you spend your money today, there is a very real chance you will regret it deeply. For decades, we have all accepted one simple rule about computers. If you pay around $599, you are getting an entry-level machine. You are getting something designed for emails, YouTube, Netflix, basic schoolwork, and maybe some light photo editing. You do not expect serious power. You do not expect professional performance. You certainly do not expect anything that could compete with high-end workstations. A world-class supercomputer in a tiny box for the price of a mid-range phone has always sounded like science fiction. But the latest leaks surrounding the 2026 M5 Mac Mini have taken that old rule, ripped it apart, and thrown the pieces into the trash. This is not a boring yearly update. This is not about a slightly faster chip, a small design tweak, or a new color option that nobody asked for. This is about a fundamental shift in what a cheap computer can be. We are looking at the exact moment where the most affordable Mac becomes a legitimate powerhouse for professionals. If you thought the 2024 redesign and the M4 generation were the peak of what the Mac Mini could be, you were wrong. The M4 was just the warm-up. It was the beginning of Apple's real plan. The M5 is the soul of this machine. It represents the moment where Apple stops treating the entry-level Mac as a secondary product and starts treating it as a flagship in disguise. It is bringing a level of power that honestly should not be possible in a device this small, silent, and energy efficient. Let's talk about the numbers, because they are the kind of numbers that make engineers nervous and competitors panic. The M4 chip was already considered a beast in its class. It offered incredible performance per watt, strong graphics, and impressive AI acceleration. Most users never even pushed it to its limits. But the M5 is rumored to bring a massive 45% jump in graphics performance. That number is not normal. In the world of computer chips, companies fight for years just to squeeze out a 5 to 10% improvement. When someone manages 15%, it becomes headline news. Reviewers call it a revolution. Marketing departments celebrate for months. But a 45% increase in a single generation is not an upgrade. It is a generational leap that usually takes 3 to 4 years of research, testing, and redesign to achieve. Apple is reportedly doing it in one cycle, and they are doing it because they have changed their entire strategy. Instead of designing separate architectures for phones, tablets, and computers, Apple is now fully merging everything into one unified vision. They are taking the core architecture from the A19 Pro flagship chip, which powers their most advanced mobile devices, and injecting those AI-enhanced cores directly into the Mac Mini. This means the same intelligence that runs advanced photography, voice recognition, and machine learning on iPhones is now being scaled up for desktop-class performance. This changes everything about what you can do with a $600 computer. We are no longer talking about basic productivity. We are talking about heavy 8K video editing without stuttering, complex 3D rendering in real time, massive photo libraries processed in seconds, and even modern AAA gaming running smoothly on a device that fits in the palm of your hand. According to early reports, this tiny box is beating massive PC towers that cost 2 or 3 times as much, while using a fraction of the power and producing almost no noise. But as impressive as the base M5 chip sounds, the real secret weapon in this lineup is the M5 Pro. This is where things become almost unbelievable. The leaks suggest a 16-core CPU configuration, with 12 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores working together. Just a few years ago, if you wanted that kind of multi-core power on a Mac, you had to buy a Mac Pro and spend $5,000 or $6,000. It was something reserved for film studios, large companies, and wealthy professionals. Now, Apple is preparing to put that level of performance into a small aluminum square that you can carry in your backpack. Imagine sitting in a cafe, plugging in a tiny box, and compiling millions of lines of code, editing feature-length videos, or training AI models in complete silence. No fans screaming. No bulky towers. No overheating. Just raw power in a minimal form. For developers, this is a dream. For designers, it is a revolution. For students and freelancers, it is a chance to access professional tools without taking out loans. For small businesses, it means high-end computing without high-end costs. The M5 Pro Mac Mini could become the most popular workstation in history, simply because it removes the traditional barriers between amateur and professional hardware. It does not matter if you are building apps, creating music, animating films, or managing massive databases. This machine is designed to handle it. Of course, this is still Apple, and Apple never gives you perfection without a few compromises. The physical design is expected to remain mostly unchanged. That means the controversial power button on the bottom is likely staying exactly where it is. You will still have to awkwardly lift or tilt the device just to turn it on, which makes no sense and probably never will. It is a small annoyance, but it reminds you that Apple sometimes prioritizes design aesthetics over practical usability. More importantly, the base storage is still rumored to start at 256 GB. In a world where AI models, 8K video files, and high-resolution assets can easily take up hundreds of gigabytes, that amount of storage is extremely limited. It fills up faster than most people expect. Apple knows this, and they use it as a strategy. They want to upsell you on storage upgrades, which are famously expensive. If you plan to buy this machine, you will need to be smart. Either budget for a larger internal drive or prepare to use fast external SSDs to expand your space. Despite these drawbacks, the most shocking part of this entire story is the price. According to current rumors, Apple plans to keep the same pricing structure. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini is going to be the most important computer of 2026. It represents the moment when the traditional line between budget and professional finally disappears. It proves that powerful computing does not have to be expensive, bulky, or complicated. It shows that a small, simple device can handle tasks that once required entire rooms of equipment. If you can wait until around June 2026, the reward will be a machine that remains fast, relevant, and capable for 5 or even 6 years. That kind of longevity is almost unheard of in modern technology. Most devices start to feel outdated after 2 or 3 years. Software gets heavier, demands increase, and performance falls behind. But the M5 Mac Mini is being built with the future in mind. It is designed to handle upcoming operating systems, advanced AI features, and increasingly complex creative workflows. Buying technology is always about timing. Buy too early, and you miss out on major improvements. Buy too late, and you overpay for outdated hardware. Right now, we are standing just before a massive leap forward. If you rush into buying something today, you may save a few weeks of waiting. But you will lose years of performance and value. If you wait for the M5, you are not just buying a computer. You are investing in stability, power, and relevance. You are choosing to be the smartest tech buyer in the room. This is not hype for the sake of hype. This is about understanding where the industry is going and positioning yourself ahead of the curve. Apple is about to redefine what an entry-level desktop can be, and once this machine launches, everything else in its price range will feel outdated overnight. The M5 Mac Mini is not just another product, it is a statement. It is Apple saying that the future of computing is small, silent, efficient, and incredibly powerful. If you want to be part of that future, the best thing you can do right now is simple: wait.